Thanks for tuning in to this week's Tips and Tricks here at Karl Chevrolet. We're going to talk about the different charging capabilities and options that we have here in our 2018 Suburban. One of my favorite charging features is the wireless charging pad here on the center console. So if you lay your device flat along that'll wirelessly charge your device that you have. Up front here, you have two USB plug-ins as well as a 12-volt plug-in. Behind the center display, you have an additional USB plug-in that you can use for charging. Since this is a family vehicle, we do also have plug-ins available in the back. We've got a 110 plug-in to power larger laptops and other devices that way, as well as another 12-volt in the back for your passengers to make sure they have plenty of different charging options inside the vehicle. Underneath of our center console, we also have two more USB plug-ins, an auxiliary plug-in, as well as another 12-volt car charger. So lots of different charging options here in our Suburban. Thanks for tuning in for this week's Tips and Tricks here at Karl Chevrolet. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us a message or stop on out and see us exit 90 at the Rock.